Morning guys, so this is my setup operation system to my tilapia fish pan. So this one, that one is a timer for the pan. It will trigger if we reach the temperature 42 degree. The fan will automatically turn on. So if it reaches the 42, then down to 39, the fan will automatically shut down. So this is the setup. So from here, so this is tubing, 3/4 tubing, then the air chamber. This is the air chamber. At one, after it will pass through to the 3/4, then go down to the fan itself. So it will go down here, and below there is a Matala hose in order to give a very good aeration system. So I use Matala for quality of aeration. So if you can see, if you can clearly see, the tilapia, they are having fun swimming on the pond. So this one guys is my filtration system, but it's lacking, it's not done yet. This is our 100 micron nylon screen filter, so I will put that maybe next week. I will buy a container for that, so I will make a video on how to make a sieve filter. So this one guys, this one is for the inlet of water supply coming from the water pump. So I guess that's all for this time. I will share more about my RAS system tilapia farming.